Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 17th of September, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of September, 2025, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. During this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 33.27% since we first recommended purchasing Rigetti Computing 7 days ago. This results in an average return of 4.75% per day, since it was classified as hold accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. If there's any pullback, there will now be support at the ceiling of the current trend, broken at $21.17. This level may present a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $26.35 will be the next potential peak level, serving as a resistance that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 38.79% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 0.90% and 33.59%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 95.35%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 41.24% to 171.24% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $31.06 and $59.65. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, moving between $19.83 and $22.13. The Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price gained 9.95% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 17th of September, 2025, rising from $20 to $21.99. It has now gained for 5 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it can continue its upward trend or take a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 11.60% with a low of $19.83 and a high of $22.13. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 46.21% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 33 million more shares were traded than the day before, resulting in a total of 76 million shares bought and sold for approximately $1.68 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $22.13, and the lowest price was 71 cents. Currently, the price is 0.63%, or 14 cents, below the 52-week high of $22.13, which is also the all-time high for the stock. This week, Rigetti introduced its Cepheus 1 processor, which is designed with 36 qubits and features a 4-chiplet architecture, boasting a median 2-qubit fidelity of 99.5%. Management aims to achieve a system with over 100 qubits by the end of 2025, with plans for a roadmap that includes over 1,000 qubits within 4 years. This technical advancement, combined with a new partnership with India's C-DAC to enhance hybrid quantum systems and an expanding academic presence, positions Rigetti as a serious contender in commercialization. Analysts have revised their outlook positively, highlighting potential grant opportunities from DARPA and the possibility for a valuation adjustment. In the short term, These announcements are expected to boost sentiment and trading activity. News regarding Fidelity and future plans often catalyzes market rallies, analyst upgrades, and increased retail interest. However, anticipate heightened volatility and profit-taking around key milestones. Over the long term, achieving the 100-qubit Fidelity target and translating partnerships into revenue-generating contracts could foster revenue growth and support a higher valuation multiple. Conversely, challenges in scaling, intensified competition, or funding shortages could put pressure on valuations. In summary, while positive technical and commercial developments could lead to upward momentum if executed effectively, the outcomes depend on execution risks and competitive factors. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned RGTI a buy grade accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, the 4th of August, 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of July, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade paired with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of any downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $18.52 and $16.15. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 54.1%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 53 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe the following. Short moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 89 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 81 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $19.09 and $17.24. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level, in this case, Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support just below today's level at $19.09. If this level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $17.24 and $16.56. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, characterized by volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.30 between its high and low, which is an 11.60% change. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 10.27%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly review some key fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, a pattern of negative PE ratios may suggest ongoing profitability issues and heightened bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of November, 2025. Analysts are predicting a loss of 5 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $19.09. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of September, 2025, Rigetti Thomas J. conducted an insider sale of 100,000 shares of stock option, the right to buy. On the same day, Rigetti Thomas J. conducted an insider purchase of 100,000 shares of common stock. Again, on the 12th of September, 2025, Rigetti Thomas J. conducted an insider sale of 100,000 shares of common stock. On the 12th of September, 2025, Sanford Helene Gale conducted an insider sale of 7,773 shares of common stock. On that same day, Sanford Helene Gale conducted another insider sale of 2,649 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 33.195. Overall, insiders purchased 5,319,265 shares and sold 8,380,671 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $21.25, which reflects a decrease of 3.36%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 82, which further heightens the risk involved. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 18 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Rigetti Computing Inc. shows several positive indicators. However, these do not suffice to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is best viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to maintain or accumulate their positions while awaiting further developments. Upon reviewing the volatility and price fluctuations from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 18th of September, we anticipate Rigetti Computing will open lower by approximately 673/100ths of a dollar, starting at around $21.32. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is crucial to consult with a financial advisor before you make any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.